Hello everyone, we are from PSR Polymers. Let us introduce you about ourselves. PSR Polymers has been existing for last 12 years and we've been supplying manufacture and supplying for goat slaughter sheets for goats. And what happens, lots of customers has been asking about growing the chicken on the sheet, and me and we and our R&D team really worked hard and introduced. We are the first introducer in India to grow chicken on plastic slaughter sheets. It's really good and it's really healthy and cost efficient as well, like cost efficient for chicken farmers. And you can see this one where this is a new product. Let us introduce about this one. These chickens are really sitting healthy in this. You can see the hole here, like this is a new design. All the wastage goes down. You can grow your chicken from the day 1 to day 45. It's really healthy and cost efficient for you people as well. And we give like 4 years of replacement warranty as well, because we can assure you about the products, and 20 years of lifetime. It has really a 20 years of lifetime as well. And for further details you can contact us, PSR Polymers. We are happy to serve you anytime, anywhere. You can call us and you can contact us. Thank you so much for your time. Thanks.